UNH Analysis General Overview and Trend United Health Group has experienced extreme volatility over the past 3 months, with prices ranging from a low of 234.6 to a high of 326.55. The stock showed a relatively stable trend in the 300 to 325 range until late July, when it experienced a sharp decline, reaching its low around 234.6 on the 1st of August. Since then, the stock has been in a strong recovery phase, with the current price at 309.87. The medium-term trend appears to be turning bullish as the stock has rebounded strongly from its lows. The long-term trend is also showing signs of recovery as the stock has regained a significant portion of its lost value. Price-volume patterns have been particularly noteworthy during significant price movements. The highest volume was recorded on the 29th of July with over 41 million shares traded, coinciding with a sharp price decline to 249.56. Another notable high-volume day was on the 15th of August with over 68 million shares, which marked a significant price increase to 304.01. The recent trading sessions show moderate volume during the recovery phase, suggesting sustained buying interest. The volume-weighted average price, VWAP, stands at 359.55, which is well above the current price, indicating that the overall sentiment over the analyzed period has been bearish, despite the recent recovery. Moving averages EMA and SMARN is currently trading below most of its key moving averages, which is a bearish signal. The 5-day simple moving average stands at 304.26, while the exponential moving average is slightly higher at 304.88. The 20-day SMA is at 281.96 and the EMA at 291.80, showing the short-term trend is positive. The 50-day SMA at 288.09 and EMA at 297.12 are below the current price, indicating the medium-term trend is turning positive. The 200-day moving averages, SMA at 431.12 and EMA at 431.78, are significantly above the current price, confirming the long-term bearish structure. The fact that shorter-term moving averages are below longer-term ones suggests the stock is still in a recovery phase rather than a full trend reversal. The technical indicators present a mixed picture. The current price trading below most key moving averages suggests the overall trend is still bearish in the long term. However, the recent recovery has pushed the price above the short-term and medium-term moving averages, indicating some strength. The VWAP at 359.55 is significantly above the current price, highlighting the strong downward movement over the analyzed period. The stock has found some support near the 300.0 level during the recovery phase, which has acted as a psychological support level. The 50-day EMA at 297.12 has been a significant support level during the recovery phase. Linear regression analysis applied to the price data over the past 3 months shows a downward sloping trend line, confirming the overall bearish trajectory. The regression line indicates an average decline rate of approximately 1–2% per week over the analyzed period. The current price is trading slightly above the regression line, suggesting the stock is in a recovery phase but not yet out of the woods. The deviation is not significant, which could indicate either a continuation of the recovery or a potential stall in the near term. Opening price prediction for the next trading day based on the recent price action, technical indicators, and the closing patterns observed, the opening price for the next trading day is likely to be around 310.0–312.0. This prediction considers the strong recovery in the last session and the overall upward pattern. The stock has shown a tendency to open near the previous day's close during trending phases, with potential for a minor gap up given the positive momentum. Resistance and support analysis. The immediate resistance level is at 310.0, which is a psychological level. Above this, the next significant resistance is at 316.39, which corresponds to the high on the 18th of August. On the support side, the first level is at 302.29, which was the low on the 21st of August. The next major support is at 299.84, which aligns with the low on the 20th of August. The current price is approximately 0.04% below the immediate resistance and 2.4% above the immediate support, suggesting the stock is in a strong position but facing a psychological barrier. Given the recent recovery, intraday movements may be characterized by attempts to break above the 310.0 psychological level, with potential for a pullback if the resistance holds. Daily ATR 14 value and possible high-low values. The average true range, ATR 14 value, indicates an average daily volatility of approximately 7.5. Based on this, the possible high for the next trading day could be around 317.3, while the possible low could be around 302.3. These values are derived from the current price plus or minus the ATR value, providing a range within which the price is likely to fluctuate during the trading session. Possible scenarios: in a bullish scenario, if the stock manages to break above the immediate resistance at 310.0, it could target the 316.39 level and potentially extend towards 325.0 in the short term. This scenario would be confirmed by increasing volume and momentum indicators turning positive. In a bearish scenario, a pullback towards the 302.29 support level could occur, with a possible extension towards the 299.84 level if profit-taking intensifies. A neutral scenario would involve the stock consolidating around the 310.0 level to digest the recent gains, with no clear directional bias in the immediate term. Conclusion: United Health Group stock has shown extreme volatility over the past month, with a sharp decline from its July highs followed by a strong recovery phase. The technical indicators suggest the medium-term trend is turning positive, but the long-term trend is still bearish. The stock is trading below most key moving averages, which provides a long-term bearish bias, but it has managed to climb above the short-term and medium-term moving averages, showing some strength. The recent recovery has been on moderate volume, suggesting sustained buying interest. Traders should watch for a clear break above 310.0 for further bullish confirmation or a failure to hold above 302.29 for potential bearish signals. The overall outlook remains cautiously optimistic, with the stock likely to continue its recovery phase before determining its next long-term directional move.